Ningbo Baiyu Import and Export Company Limited is a versatile trade and manufacturing enterprise with its factory established in 2008, located in Ningbo, China. We specialize in producing a diverse range of high-quality manual, pneumatic, and hydraulic tools, catering to professional repair technicians. Our product portfolio encompasses over 300 items, including automotive tools, bearing pullers, shock coil, spring compressors, ball joint removal tools, oil filter wrenches, brake caliper tools, truck axle nut sockets, socket wrench sets, brake bleeders, engine compression testers, nut splitters, hydraulic pullers, pneumatic injector pullers, and more. Committed to upholding the highest standards, we offer a comprehensive suite of services, including OEM, ODM, and custom tool manufacturing. With our in-house forging, precision machining, and assembly facilities, we control product quality at every stage, from raw material procurement to stringent in-process inspections and final QC checks before delivery. Our manufacturing processes are ISO 9001 certified, ensuring product performance, durability, and user comfort that meet the exacting demands of professional repair technicians and technical specifications. We take pride in being a trustworthy source of premium tools, serving tool brands, tool distributors, tool retail chains, and online stores. With a focus on quality, precision, and timely delivery, Ningbo Baiyu Import and Export is your go-to partner for top-notch tools that make a difference in the hands of professionals.